Welcome to Earthling Cooks. Today we're going to make a smoothie, kind of a milkshake smoothie mix. And I like to do this with some peanut butter and a banana for some kind of healthy ingredients in there. Now my banana was frozen. I like to freeze them when they're about to go bad so you can keep them and use them for something. To start out with, use a cup of milk. You can double this recipe if you want to make a lot more for more people. With a cup of milk and one banana, we're going to throw in one big scoop of peanut butter. And then a few scoops of ice cream. This one's almost empty, they're both vanilla, so I'll count that as a big scoop. And a couple more good scoops of ice cream. Now you can use chocolate ice cream if you want to. I like to add chocolate flavoring but use vanilla ice cream so that I get the vanilla flavor. Although you could use vanilla extract too, so you could do it a couple ways, but this is the way I do it. Then we need our chocolate, and I'm going to be using for chocolate some powder, chocolate powder, and then some sweeteners. I'm using coconut sugar. Now if you have just standard chocolate syrup at home, you can use that too in place of these two ingredients. But if you do have some powder at home and some whatever type of sugar you want to use, we're going to use a half tablespoon of each of these. Close it up and give it a blend. All right, let's see how it turned out. And there we have it. Go ahead and finish it off. Have any questions, let me know. We'll see y'all later.